Ayan guys, this is a hinalang. Ay, this is a hinalang guys. Hinalang na manok. So this is my cook right now para sa panihapon guys. Okay, so very many people here because tomorrow we have a reunion. So that's why I cook the hinalang soup, hinalang chicken. Ayan. Ayan guys. Kumulo-kulo pa siya guys. Kumulo-kulo. Yan. Hinalang na kumulo-kulo guys. Kumulo-kulo. Ayan. Anghang na anghang yan siya guys. Masarap yan kapag umuulan. That's for video. Thank you.